What industries outside tech are affected by the 2026 wave of layoffs? The ripple effect is hitting surprising sectors beyond Silicon Valley, shaking up your everyday world. While tech layoffs grab headlines, industries like finance are quietly trimming staff. Automation tools and AI adoption reduce the need for traditional roles in banking, insurance, and investment management. Economic uncertainty also forces companies to tighten budgets, leading to layoffs that ripple through this sector. These changes affect not only frontline workers, but also back office and support roles, signaling a broader transformation in how financial services operate. Retail is undergoing a massive shift as e-commerce grows and consumer habits evolve. Traditional stores are closing or downsizing, leading to layoffs in sales, logistics, and management positions. Supply chain disruptions increase costs and force companies to optimize staffing. This wave hits both big-box retailers and smaller brands, reflecting a fundamental change in how people shop and how companies respond. Manufacturing and automotive industries are in flux as automation replaces manual labor and the push for electric vehicles shifts production priorities. Legacy factories reduce traditional assembly jobs while investing in new technology roles. Global trade tensions and material shortages add pressure, causing layoffs and restructuring. Workers in these sectors face uncertainty as production evolves rapidly. Media and advertising sectors are also hit. Traditional outlets lose revenue as advertisers shift to digital platforms, but even digital media companies face layoffs due to oversaturation and changing consumer attention. Companies are restructuring to focus on sustainable business models, often resulting in job cuts across editorial, marketing, and production roles. Healthcare isn't immune. While clinical roles remain critical, administrative positions are shrinking. Automation of billing, scheduling, and patient management reduces staff needs. Hospitals and insurance companies also cut administrative costs to manage financial pressures, leading to layoffs in non-clinical roles, surprising many who expect growth in this sector. The 2026 wave of layoffs is more than just a tech story. Finance, retail, manufacturing, media, and healthcare all feel the impact. Understanding this helps you see the big picture of economic change. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead of the curve.